Alright guys, so this is that speaker switch, and I opened it up just to see kind of what they might be doing here. Let's see if we can read the switch here. It says, it's really hard to read it. There's like something on it. Zing tie 15 amp 250 volt 10 amp 380 volt AC. So what I think it says on and on. Center goes to either top or bottom. So we have 1, 2, 3. So what seems strange to me is some of these have black rings on them, some of them have red. Okay, but these and these are ganged together. So you've got, this is like the middle one. So we'd be switching those. They would all be commonly connected to a common ground, which I'm not sure that that's something desirable in this situation, but anyway, that's how they did it. So this one here, if you fed it in the middle, it should go on or on. And then, well, why did they use 2 black striped wires here? Oh, these are not even like logically in the right place. Oh, that's freaking odd. Okay, so they've flipped them around. Why does the top not go up to the top? They're completely backwards. So normally with a switch like this, that should be, you put it in the up position, and it actually would be these two. So I guess maybe that's why they did it. So we put it down, it would actually be these two, which is going down. So yeah, I guess they flipped them around for that reason. Okay, so, but the middle ones, they don't make sense to me. Okay, middle one going here, black. But these red ones here, they used black wires. And what's strange is it's like there's 2 groups bussed together. So, like, what are they actually doing here? It's kind of confusing. But it's supposed to be a speaker test switch, as far as I know. So, if you connect all this, like put a channel here, you could switch between 2 different speakers on that. And then you could do the same thing over here. But this middle crap, what is this middle crap? It's like, okay, they're independently being switched completely on the middle channel. I don't understand it. Or maybe, depending on how you wanted to do it, you could feed, maybe you're just supposed to feed these. That would make more sense. It would be just 2 channels, and then we'd have like these extra bullshits right here or something. I don't understand what they were trying to do. They added extra connectors that really shouldn't be here, and they didn't switch the grounds, which they should switch the grounds. I can't see why you wouldn't want the grounds switched, because there could be some kind of bleed over into the other speakers. I don't like that. I don't understand what they were trying to go for here. But I thought that was a channel. It's a 3-channel switch, which why would you ever do 3? Seems like you should be doing 4. Now, technically speaking, I guess we could do 1, 2, 3, 4 off of the way this is, because you have 4 connectors that are all switched, and then you have these extra ones here. But you would need to share one of these with another connection, so if you went off of the common ground, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 positives that can be switched. It just doesn't make sense. It's like, what the hell were you thinking? So if I was going to use this, I guess I would pick these 2. Well, you need these in red, and no, that doesn't make sense. Did somebody make this themselves? Because I think maybe they even sell a kit, but it just seems very odd. Very odd. Anyway, how much can I talk about this? Quite a bit, and it won't make any more sense the more I talk about it. I don't know what the hell they were doing. It makes 0 sense. There's too many connectors here. And then, like, why did they skip them over there?